What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Last day, Rosette Spearban win the award as the Best Actress of the Fast and Feel Love. Rosette Spearban captioned it, "Thank you Sufan Hong for this award and thank you GDH. Thank you brother, hashtag Fast and Feel Love and the team. The Dream Team is one of the best creative experiences in my acting life. I am so happy to meet everyone. Every day, there is magic happening in my life." Not Kitcharit, you are the best partner I could have asked for. You're the best partner, and thank you for inviting me here to play this movie. Made me fall in love with my job even more. You were incredible ka. As you can see, Rosa's peer band was so thankful for being part of the team. Yesterday, on a Dex activity, Nadeko Guinea was invited in Dolce Gabbana night. Nadek was so happy and looked so handsome that night, and guessing Nadek was very proud of Urasaya. It's very nice to see that the NY couple was so very proud to each other.